Bored.
I'm tired of watching TV. I just want to go outside.
I need some sun. Flannel shirts.
Sun. Palm trees. Sunroof. Traffic. Annoyed.
Whee! Shopping.
Kelly Slater. Tards. Birds.
Why don't you shake your hand?
Footprints. Sand. Stuntman. Stuntman number 2. Copycatters. Sweep the leg. Beach babes. Frog on the hat. Babes. Too short. Texting. Bad mood. Daredevil. Takes after his dad. Fashionista. Bread balls. Rock tar. Calamari. Salad. 5. Art. Dingle hopper. Ravioli. Fettuccine prosciutto. Luggage. Buys. Sad. Happy. Parking fee.
Thank you.
Pouty face. Jack and the Giant Slayer? Escalator rides. Treats. Movie review. Giant. Movie review. 3D glasses. Limbo. Fail. Awesome dudes. Nerds. Exhausted. Sleepy eyes. Worn out from all the fun we had. Best dad in the world. Love ya.
Love ya.
And that is a wrap.